If you want to go from this puddling water to this water beating up and streaming down the hood and make it 10 times easier to clean, then you should Cerakote your car. So you need to make sure the car is out of the sun. Did all the paint correction that you might need to do. I did a pretty intense clay bar on this car. Now you could do a kind of compound and a polish, but I opted not to do that, as this paint isn't perfect and it has nicks. I just want it to look more shiny and make it easier to clean whenever I clean it. Here's the Cerakote, apply it. Now we want to do in a crosshatch pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the car. And just like that, the entire car is finished. And that gloss is popping. I accidentally sat something on the hood after I Cerakoted this corner right here, and it's like a very light scratch right here on the Cerakote. So basically what I'm saying is, while it's curing, do not set anything on the car. After doing the entire car, including its wheels, we have this much left. But it gives you plenty if you were to do a big car like that one or the Tahoe behind. So if you want to Cerakote your car, I'll link this down below for your convenience, as well as the clay bars that I use to prep the paint.